What is a relieved cutting head? A relieved cutting head has a low-profile cutting jaw that allows for access into a confined or restricted space to make cutting easier, compared to standard cutting heads which have a full-profile cutting jaw. Tronex offers relief profile cutting heads on most of our oval and taper head cutters. For Tronex Oval Head cutters, relief profiles are available on both the medium and large cutter head sizes. With taper head cutters, relief profiles are available on the mini, medium, and large cutting head sizes. With multiple options to choose from, Tronex has hand cutters that will meet a variety of cutting applications.